Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we're exploring how to maximize your efficiency with automated marketing solutions by using GoHighLevel. Let's dive in. First, take a look at the GoHighLevel dashboard. It's designed to be user-friendly and is equipped with a multitude of features. We'll begin by setting up an automated workflow. To create this workflow, navigate to the Automations tab and click on Create Workflow. Then choose Start from Scratch. Here, you have the option to select from various triggers, such as form submissions, new leads, or specific dates. For today's demonstration, we'll choose Form Submission. Next, we'll configure the actions that will occur after the trigger. Let's add an action to dispatch a welcome email to new leads. Click on Add Action, select Send Email, and then customize your message. Remember, personalization can make a big difference, so feel free to include details like the lead's name. One of GoHighLevel's standout features is its capability to manage multi-channel campaigns. This enables you to engage with your audience across email, SMS, social media, and more, all from a single platform. To set up an SMS follow-up, click on Add Action again, choose Send SMS, and type out your message. You can arrange for it to be sent immediately or at a later time, depending on your strategy. Now click on Publish button, and then click on Save button. Interested in streamlining your marketing and lead nurturing process? Sign up for GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial. Make sure to schedule your kickoff call to ensure a seamless start. You'll find all necessary links in the video description below. If you found this video useful, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more practical tips. Thank you for watching.